Hello students, today we will discuss nomenclature of three types of organic compounds: bicyclo, tricyclo and spiro compounds. These are very important for your competitive examination in JEE and NEET and other different competitive examination. It is also required some rules, important rules in the nomenclature, but one thing, that rules already we have discussed in the previous lessons in our channel Chemistry Go. You can see in class 11th organic chemistry video number 3 to 8. These are only based on nomenclature of organic compounds. You can refer these lessons for your better understanding. But almost the rule is same, but some new change in the rules of these compounds, bicyclo, tricyclo and spiro compounds, let us discuss. Before this, one thing I want to tell you, that bicyclo compound, tricyclo and spiro compound, there is some difference in structural formula. If you see the difference, here this is the one example of bicyclo compounds. Here this structure indicates it is the fusion of two close, that is cyclic rings. Two cyclic rings fused with common two carbon atom. In two common carbon atoms, these two rings are fused. That's why it is called bicyclo compounds. And these common points, this is called bridgehead. This is called bridgehead. This compound, this point is called bridgehead. Two bridgehead here, and through these common carbon atoms, two cyclic rings are fused. But in tricyclo compound, same thing, two common carbon atoms, but three cyclic rings are fused. Ring 1, ring 2, ring 3. Three rings are fused in these two carbon atoms, common carbon atoms. Here, first ring, second rings are fused. That's what it is bicyclo rings, bicyclo compounds, tricyclo compounds. Three rings are fused in two common carbon atoms. And spiro compounds, here what happens? Two rings are fused, are joined with a common carbon atoms. Here two rings joined through common carbon atom. Through common carbon atom it is joined. Here through two carbon atoms the rings are fused. That's why tricyclo, this is called spiro compounds. Common one carbon atom is common. And this is bicyclo, two rings are fused. This is the main different structural formula of the bicyclo, tricyclo and spiro compounds. Let us discuss the IPC nomenclature of this bicyclo, tricyclo and spiro compounds. I have prepared this nomenclature in one lessons by comparing the three compounds, the nomenclature of three compounds. In the nomenclature, one thing we have to remember, we know organic compounds, before nomenclature, first we have to select the longest carbon chain, then numbering of carbon chain, like this. Here numbering of carbon chain will be done, here numbering will be done from largest to smallest. Rule is from largest to smallest. This is very important. The rule is numbering will start from largest to smallest, and considering these bridgehead carbon atoms. Considering these bridgehead carbon atoms, we will start numbering from largest to, after completion of largest, then we will switch over to smallest. So this is the important rules. And here also same, in tricycle also same, that from largest to smallest. This rule is used. But in Spiro compound, the rule is from smallest to largest. This is the very important difference between bicyclo, tricyclo and Spiro. Bicyclo and tricyclo, some points are similar, but in Spiro compounds just opposite. From smallest to largest, here numbering will be from largest to smallest. Here also largest to smallest. Then here as these compounds are derived from alkane, all having single bond, it may have some double bond, but a name will be derived from parent alkane. And before the first starting nomenclature, if the compound has no substituent, then it will be called as alkane or alkene like this. It depends upon the functional group used. It will also derive it will take the suffix of the functional groups. But here, before nomenclature, we have to use a very common word for bicyclo compound. We use the term bicyclo. That means we have to use the term. For example, let us discuss the example. In this case, what happens? It is a fusion of two rings. One, how many carbon atoms? If you see, if you start the compounds, as it has no substituent, then we can start the first compound. The nomenclature will be bicyclo. It will be bicyclo. This is the first name, bicyclo. Then bracket start, square bracket will be used. Bracket will be used. Inside the bracket, we have to use the number of carbon atoms. The rule is largest to smallest. Here numbering will be done like this. Give the nomenclature of this compound. If you give the nomenclature of these compounds, so from largest to smallest, largest means here this is the largest, because if you start from here 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, from largest to smallest. As it is largest here, largest how many carbon atom actually in the ring, in the cycling ring, here 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Here the bridgehead carbon will not be considered for the numbering of carbon atoms. Numbering carbon means to mention the number of carbon atoms in the cyclic ring, the bridgehead carbon will be excluded. Very important. Bridgehead carbon will be excluded in the numbering of carbon atoms, in the counting of number of atoms. So number of carbon atom will be, this is the common, will not be considered. So remaining will be 1, 2, 3 carbon. So 3. Then dot will be used. Here second ring how many carbon atom? Excluding the bridgehead carbon, 1, 2. So 3.2. Then here the common has no, if you see, common has no carbon atom, only directly attached from bridgehead to another bridgehead which has no common carbon. That's a 0. This indicates 0. Then bracket will be closed. Then we have to see the total carbon atom in the bicyclo compound. Total carbon atom indicates 7. 7 means it is heptane. So this is the name of this compound, bicyclo 320 heptane. The 320 indicates number of carbon atom in the ring. Then similarly, if you see this compound contains 2 rings. Here what happens? And one substituent is given, because we know the rules that we have to follow the minimum locant, lowest locant rule we have to follow. Here the rule, here as it is, the rule is from largest to smallest. We have to start from the largest. So this is the bridgehead. This is the bridgehead carbon atom. So we have to, when it is largest, we have to consider, like if you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is coming. But if you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is coming. If you start from here, again I am repeating, if you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is coming. Methyl position is 7. If you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is coming. So locand is increasing. That's why numbering will start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Clear? Then the rule, as 7 is your methyl, your 7 dash methyl, same rule as your IPC nomenclature of organic compound. 7 methyl, then your compound is bicyclo, then bracket start. Here this larger ring contain how many carbon atom? Excluding the bridgehead carbon atom. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4. Then dot will be used. Then second ring contain how many carbon atom? Not your substituent. Don't consider substituent. Excluding substituent also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Then this has no carbon. So this is 0. Then bracket close. So 7 methyl bicyclo 430. Total carbon atom in the main cyclic ring contain 8. So it is octane. Octane. So this is the nomenclature of the second compound. Similarly, see third compound. You pause the video and you think what will be the nomenclature of this compound. Then I will tell the answers. Okay? Okay. You will do it like this. So it is also two rings. That is the larger ring. This is a smaller rings. So the rule is we have to consider first larger ring. Larger ring, then minimum locant rule also we have to apply. Here if you see 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Both sides are correct. So we can start from this 1. This is the bridgehead carbon. This is the bridgehead carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. So as it has keto group and keto group functional group is ONE, then here we have to first write bicyclo. Here it is bicyclo. Then bracket start. Here it is how many member? 1, 2, 3 member. So 3 dot how many member? 1 member. So 1. Then middle 0, 0, bracket close. Then it is total carbon is 6. It is hexanone, but position is 3. So hexane, then 3-ONE. Same rule like your IPC nomenclature organic compounds. Already I have told you. You can refer my channel that is chemistry goal in organic chemistry video, that organic chemistry video number 3 to 8. All videos based on nomenclature, IPC nomenclature of organic compounds. So you can refer for any doubt in the nomenclature. Okay. So bicyclo 310 1 2 3 3 1. This is 1 0. Then hexane as 6 carbon. Hexane 3-ONE. This is the nomenclature of this third compound. The fourth compound, similarly you think what will be the fourth compound? Here this is the largest, this is the smallest. So but you have to see the locant. Here the position, if you see, you start, this is the bridgehead, this is your bridging head, and if you start from 1, 2, 3 is coming. Locant is here. If you start 1, 2 and 3, double bond is 3 and your substituent is 2. If you start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, double bond is 3 coming, but here 1, 2, 3, but here here substituent, methyl substituent will be 2, here this side substituent will be 5. So minimum locant rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 6, then 7, 8, 9. So this is the nomenclature. Then what will the nomenclature, the compounds? Here it is keto group is there and development is there. So naming will be, and 2 position is methyl. So 2 methyl, 2 position is methyl, 2 methyl, then bracket close. Here it is how many bigger ring contain how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Then the smaller ring contain how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 3. And the bridge head no carbon. That's why 0. Then bracket close. Then 2 methyl completed. Then it is total carbon how much? 8, 9. Sorry, it is 9. 9 means nonane. N-O-N. N-O-N. No, N-E. Nonane. So N-O-N-A-E. Nonane. N, then hyphen. Here 3 position is ENE. 3 ENE. 3 EN. Then here 8 position is ONE. 8 ONE. Again I am repeating. You see here 2 position is methyl, and this larger ring contain 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, 4, and smaller ring contain 1, 2, 3, that is 3, and the bridge head has no carbon, only direct contact, that is 0. Then as it has 9 carbon in the main ring, that's a nonane. N-O-N-N-E. N-O-N-O-N-A-N-E. Nonane. Nonane means it is incomplete. N-O-N-E. And E is replaced by 3N. 3 position is En. Then 8 occupies ONE. So this is the nomenclature of this type of bicyclo compound. Similarly, come to tricyclo compound, the rule is same. It will follow largest to smallest. For this compound, we have to use first which one? Tricyclo. Tricyclo will be used. Then bracket. Here the rule is largest to smallest. Here largest is which one? This is carbon if you count. Let me erase this one. You will be confused. Okay. So if you start, largest contain 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, this is 1, 2. So this is 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, this is 1, 2. Then bridge head contains 0. Guys, mainly difference is in bicyclo the bracket contains 3 numbers. In tricyclo the bracket contains 4 numbers, 4 numericals, 3, 2, 2, 0, like this. 4 number will be used. Then tricyclo, then how many carbon atom? If you count, the rule is from largest to smallest. If you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So name will be tricyclo 3220. 3220, that is nonane. This is nonane. Okay. Then come to second compound. Similarly, second compound same type, but one substituent is there. So substituent there means substituent position, the locant should be minimum. This rule. Yes or no? So you have to follow the same rule like your IPC nomenclature. So we have to start the numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So similarly, second compound we have to do like this. Here one substituent is there. So 2, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Only difference is here one substituent is there. Here it has no substitution. If substitution is present, we have to follow the same rule like IPC nomenclature. Locant should be minimum. So numbering will be 1, 2, 3. Here is 2 position. So 2 chloro. This is 2 chloro. Then bracket start. Here bigger ring contain 1, 2, 3. Then other ring contain 2 like above. This is also 2. Then bridgehead 0. Then square bracket close. Then here how many carbon atoms? Just you see 9. Last carbon number is 9. So no name. 2 chloro. Then tricyclo. Then tricyclo 3220 no name. But here what happens? Same. Tricyclo. Then bracket start. Here this ring contain how many carbon? 2 carbon. 2. Then second ring contain also 2 carbon. 2. And the third ring also contain 2 carbon. That is 2. And the bridgehead 0. Then bracket close. Then you see here it is octane. It means octane. But here 2 position and 6 position contains 2 Na. So we can write octane and hyphen 2 and 6. 2,6 dione. Dione. So this is the nomenclature, just like your IPC nomenclature, but you have to use some prefix, that is tricyclo term will be used. So tricyclo 220 octane 26 dione. So this is the nomenclature of tricyclo compounds. Then come to spiro compounds. For spiro compounds, just rule is somewhat different. We have to start from smallest to largest. Rule is smallest to largest. If smallest to largest rule is there, then other thing is same. So, but here common point is 1. 1 carbon is common. Here it was 2 carbon common. So, smallest nomenclature. So, if you state 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you will not start from the common point. You have to start in the spiro compound. You have to start excluding common point. So you have to start from other than common point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here what happens? Here rule is smallest to largest. So name is spiro, will use spiro. Spiro, then bracket start. Then here smallest contain 2 carbon, so 2. Then larger contain 1, 2, 3 carbon. Then here there will be no number for common carbon. For common carbon there will be no number will be used. Then bracket close. But in case of you see tricyclo, bicyclo, that we are using 0 for this bridgehead. As bridgehead has no carbon, it is used as 0. But in spiro, there will be no number will be used for common carbon. Joint section, the joint point will not be shown here. Only the ring part will be shown. So smaller is 1, 2 carbon and larger contain 3 carbon. Then bracket close. Total carbon is 6. Hexane. So this is the rule. That is hexane. Similarly, second compound, you pause the video and try to think what will be the nomenclature. Okay? Okay. You first do it. That I am doing. You also try to do first. Here 2 rings. Here the larger ring, this is a smaller ring. So the rule is we have to start from smaller ring. Smaller ring means here locant should be minimum. as this is the locand, if you start 1, 2, if you start here, it is locand 1, 2, 3. Then this side number will be more, locand will be more, so you have to move from bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if you start from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here position, locand position will be how much? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also same. If you start from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here position is 4 is coming. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is coming. So locand will be minimum. This direction it will be minimum. So you have to think this thing. What is the difference is locand rule and suffix and word root, everything you will use like your IPS nomenclature. There is no difference other thing. Only you have to think which way you have to bring the locand minimum and the position of suffix will be minimum like this. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the rule is, so it is Spiro bracket start. So smaller to larger, smaller content 2 carbon, main ring content 2 carbon, then larger content how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Then bracket close. There is no number for joint carbon, common carbon. So this is Spiro 2, 5. Then how many you see? Total carbon how much? 7. 7 means we have to, then here before Spiro also, as it is a substituent, here 1 is substituent, 4 is substituent. 1 means this is ethyl, this 4 is methyl. So E1 here 1 methyl, 1 ethyl, here 1 ethyl, 4 methyl, 4 methyl, 1 ethyl, 4 methyl, Spiro 2, 5 bracket close. Then it is you write as it is En. Then how many your position of En is, that is 5 Ene, 5 position is Ene, 5 Ene, 5 En. This is your that is 1 ethyl, 4 methyl, Spiro 2, 5 Ene. This is the nomenclature. So you think about this. Last one you try to solve it. Pause the video and you think what will be the nomenclature. Okay? Okay, let me do it. So here you see both are having same carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same carbon. But we have to select minimum locand for the, so any suffix is there or any substituent is there. As this right side ring contain one that functional group, that is should minimum, the locand should be minimum. So it will start from, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again check it. So you start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, completed. Then the rule is as both content, so naming will be Spiro, then bracket start. Here it contain 5 member, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 dot second also 5, then bracket close. Then as it is 11 means, what is the nomenclature of 11 compound? You think? What is the name? 11 means ondecane. Then what is the position of ONE? 2 position. Ondecane 2Ne. 2ONE, as it is contain ketone. So ondecane Undecane means 11. 11, so undecane 2ONE. That means it is a keto group. So like this, you practice different nomenclature of spiro, tricyclo and bicyclo compound. And it is not difficult. Only you have to remember the rules. What is the difference between bicyclo, tricyclo and spiro in the nomenclature? Here bicyclo, tricyclo from largest to smallest, but in spiros from smallest to largest. Everything is same, but in main difference in spiro and these two compound is, in spiro the common carbon is not shown here, but in bicyclo and tricyclo the bridgehead carbon you have to see the number of carbon. For example, if you take one bridgehead carbon is like this. Suppose like this here. So this is your bridging head, this is your bridging head, this is your bridging head. So numbering is from largest to smallest. So here 1 2 carbon, here 1 2 carbon. So the naming will be tricyclo, then bracket start. It contains how many carbon? So numbering will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, then from largest to smallest. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, tricyclo 3. Here how many carbon? If start here, it is tricyclo, then bracket start. Here contain 2 carbon, then dot 2 carbon. Okay, 2 carbon. Then here 1 carbon. This is your 2 carbon and 1 carbon. This is 0. So 0 must be there, as it has no carbon attached to this. So it will be 2 2 1 0. Then total is heptane, 7 carbon heptane. So we have to follow the rules. Men from largest to smallest, largest smallest, but smallest to largest. Then other thing will be same as your IPC nomenclature. Okay, thank you all.